Why isn't your product getting sales on Amazon? Chances are it's hiding on page number 5 where no one looks. So what you can do? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to bring your product into the spotlight, rank on page 1 and boost yourself fast in 2025. Let's dive in. Your first job as an Amazon seller, make sure your product actually shows in the search result. Next, get people click on your listing. You need to grab their attention fast. Let's say you are a health conscious and you are looking for natal leaf tea. Now, what's the first thing you do as a shopper? You type in a keyword and hit search. Here comes the first page of results, and guess what? Most shoppers never go beyond this page. In fact, around 70% of buyers stick to the first page. Only about 30% even bother to check out page number 2. And the last page, let's be honest, no one is going there. There are tons of competitors here, I can see that, but a few listings really grab my attention, like this one. Yeah, this one looks solid. The first thing I notice is the main image. That's what every shopper sees first. Then comes to the price and ratings. Now let's talk about the title. It plays a huge role in getting your product on page 1. But once you're on page 1, the game changes. Your goal now, make sure your main image stands out from the competitors. So how you can optimize your main image like a pro? This image follows all the Amazon's main image rules, like product takes 80% of the canvas, white background, but the thing is, this could be even better without breaking any rules. In this picture you see how the products look like, but they use trust points like certified organic, made in USA, which are hard to find. Now this one is what I call a good main image. At a glance you see what's inside, you know the quantity, they highlight the organic tag, and you can easily notice made in USA. So here are the tricks. Show what's inside. Add main image keywords. Well, this will not help SEO indexing. But when buyers search for the keywords and then see the words in the main image, it will grab their eyes fast. Chances are they will click. Show quantities. Use tags. Show where the product's manufactured. Use color accordingly. Means if it's organic, green is the best color to showcase. Now let's come to the SEO part. First, we are gonna talk about the title. This helps your SEO indexing. The goal is to add your main keywords in the title and in the first 80 letters, including the most important information. Cause shoppers will see only first 80 characters in the search result. In this listing, the title is not good enough. What's wrong here? First of all, weak keywords placement. The main keywords like herbal tea, supplement or dried herb are missing. And the second thing is low engagement. Organic and eco-friendly are good, but they're generic if not paired with benefits. Title lacks a compelling feature or benefit like support immune system or caffeine-free detox tea. Now look at this listing. First, there is the brand name. Then you have to add keywords that are highly searchable, such as organic nettle leaf, herbal tea, dried stinging nettle tea, etc. They also added quantity information in the title as well. Now comes to the bullet point. Bullet points are very important. You can highlight the key features, added long tail keywords that helps SEO indexing. You can add benefits as well. So make sure your bullet points are readable. Do not add tough words. Highlight most important information first. Use highly ranked keywords. Alright, you can get help from tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. We have a video how you should research the keywords. I will give you the link in the description below. Go check that out. And also, if you have a hard time researching on keywords, we Ecomclips can help. Just comment below or you can send an email at info@ecomclips.com. We will catch you ASAP. Now talking about SEO indexing. Here is another important thing, which is search terms. The keywords that you cannot add it in the title and in the bullet points, you can add those in search terms segment. Here is how. Go to inventory, manage all inventory, edit listing, and in the product description section you find the generic keywords. This is the search term. Here you can put keywords. Spelling mistake helps, so don't worry about spelling mistakes. Spanish keywords are super helpful. Try to add some Spanish as well. And the thing is, do not use comma here. And another thing is alt text. See this green text? You can add keywords here as well. That will also help indexing. Cool, right? Alright, let's talk about A+ content now. This helps your product stand out with rich visuals, detailed descriptions, and brand storytelling. So why A+ matters? It builds trust, answers buyers' questions visually, and boosts conversions by making your listing look more premium and informative. Here are the tips. Highlight key benefits, not just features, make it emotional plus useful. Use lifestyle images, show product in use, not just in white background. Break up text with visuals. People scroll fast. Make it snackable. Use icons for scannability. Use image carousels. Well, this comes with premium A+ content. And what are the criteria? Just registered in the Amazon brand registry and have a history of at least 15 approved A+ content modules in the last 12 months. That's it. Using videos helps. Videos boost engagement, build trust, and explains complex features faster than text and images. And most importantly, you must add product comparison charts. Well, we have couple of detailed videos on A+ content and I'll share the link in the description, so go check this out. Struggling to rank higher and boost your Amazon sales? You don't have to do it alone. Ecomclips has your back. We have 12 years of experience and thousands of success stories. We know exactly what works. From optimizing listings to crafting killer strategies, we help turn regular sellers into top performers. So here is the question. Do you just want to sell or do you want to lead the pack? To get a free listing audit, just shoot us an email at info@ecomclips.com. Let's talk.